Shit. No.
Open up your eye.
Don't wash my shiny hair, people. Them. I was gonna say 1, 2, 3, but okay.
1, 2, 3.
What's good, people? Them.
It's your boy Digz
and your girl Keebs, and welcome back to Life with Digz and Keebs.
Yeah. Wagwan. Wagwan. Why look at me so?
Nothing. My head is shiny.
Everyone in the comment section say Keebs has a shiny forehead. I just greased up my head, man. Come on, allow me now. Anyways, a video that we are doing that's been overdue for a very long time is about to happen right before your very eyes, guys.
Look why you picking it up like that. Why are you picking it up? Why are you picking it up?
I don't know. It's just overdue.
Why are you picking it up for?
It's just overdue.
Straight down and let's get to it.
Basically, as you already know, as you've seen in the title and the thumbnail, I'm about to get my, what do you call it?
Exactly, you don't know your talk.
Basically, I've been saying to Keys like, Ross, let me get one of them facials like them what them women's be doing, you know what I'm saying? Not that I won't be a woman, pause. But like, sometimes you need to take care of yourself. You gotta do a little take care regime, rare to rare. So that's what this is about. And that's what Keebs is about to do for me. I bought a little 1, 2, what did I buy you?
You bought it for yourself?
What, the crystal?
Yeah, it's there. It's over there somewhere.
Yeah, I know, I'm getting something else. Where is this other thing I'm thinking? I'm gonna get that. Aha, yeah, this. Alright. I bought myself a couple 1, 2 thing, but you also actually I bought the crystal for we, not just me. But anyway, I want I want Keebs to use the crystal. Where is it again? Yeah, this right here, guys. If you know what it is, you know what it is. You can't open this.
Shut up.
Yeah, I'm about to get this treatment. It's about to be on. It's about to be on. Just letting them know it's about to be on. Alright, so guys, without further ado, let's get into. Before we do that though, I need you to go like, share, subscribe, all that good jazz. Why?
Because we can.
That's damn right. Damn right. Alright, so yeah, boom. I'm about to go get this. So let me go sit my ass down and we'll be back. We patterned up in the right position and thing. Yep. Bits and bobs.
They don't want them to see the things I'm using, because it's not about the things I'm using, it's about the thing that's happening.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, here we go.
Alright, boom, guys. You get me in position and that. I'm gonna be doing different angles and shit. Oh, let me open up your eyes. You need to stop squinting. But goddamn. What the hell? What's wrong with this cat? Oh, and she's in the shop.
Yeah, that's their favourite thing to do. Be in the shop.
But I'm gonna get.
Woo!
What happened?
The water's hot.
Oh, it bun you?
Yeah.
Damn.
Woo! You'll be alright.
What? What are we doing? Opening on my pores right now or something?
Yeah.
Alright.
Woo! Woo!
Want me to squeeze?
Ooh!
Where's the bowl?
It's
not even that hot.
Squeeze it.
Yeah.
Now you feel the heat.
I feel it. Now I feel it.
Okay, opening pores, people. Huh? What's his armpit? Thanks. Come on. You wasn't dying. Relax, close your mouth. Relax. Not a professional, people. So I'm doing what I do. Alright, cool.
BannDIgz, cook this one up.
I think it good. What do you guys think?
It's shiny, that's for sure.
You lot didn't see everything because the back camera overheated, but we just continued to just get it done. But
Neating it up.
yeah, keeps neatened me up. No more eating my own moustache when I eat food. Right, the royal penis is clean, your highness.
Stop it.
All that treatment and that.
Alright.
Thank you, Keebs. And guys, that's I said I'll feed you when I feed you. You got dry there, so you can't.
It's
Can you
nice
guys see a difference? And get another close up. My facial, how that feel? Feels good. Face feels smooth. Look, gliding, gliding. My face always glidey anyway, but no, extra smooth.
That's why my face looks so shiny, because that's the kind of regime that I use.
That's why she got that shiny head.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you enjoyed that video, make sure you go like, share, subscribe, all of that good jazz. Why?
Because we said so.
Yeah. And thank you for watching. I've been your boy Digz.
I've been your girl Keebs, and listen, this is what he's been asking for a long time.
I just want sometimes I just want a bit of, like, my wife, I feel like, this is what I, know it is. Sometimes I feel like my wife needs to give me some love. In this way, like, sometimes.
He wants to be treated like a girl. Yeah, actually not a girl. He wants to be treated like a princess.
Nah. Forget all of that.
He wants a princess treatment.
Forget all of that malarkey, yeah. Sometimes it's just good to have that care for yourself. When do I ever do these kind of things?
Never.
When have I ever cut my beard or whatever?
Yeah, rare.
Very rare. Basically, maybe since I've had a beard,
Stop it.
I can count on one hand how many times.
No.
How many times?
I did it one time.
Did you?
Yeah. I prefer the shears, you know, than the razor. The razor is proper.
It's a bit fine. You have to be.
Hard.
Yeah, she sliced me up a couple times too.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, she's seen the slices now.
Yeah, I did. One day I'm looking at. Yeah.
One day that drew blood.
That drew blood too.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. They're so fine. You can't tell. But they're like cookie scratches. I can tell because it's burning me.
Enjoy.
You see, she's happy about that. Sometimes, if I have spots in my face or whatever, I don't want to do it. I think she should do it.
Can I shave your
my chest?
Your chest?
No.
Why?
No.
You would have all that.
No, if I had a 12 pack in that, then yeah, innit? But
I'm not even shave it. Can I wax it? Ooh, can I wax it?
For video.
People. I'm a wax his big.
Get this to 10 likes. Get this video to 10. If we get this video to 10 likes, then we'll do another. Then I'll allow her to wax my chest. So yeah, if you want to see that video, make sure you do that. You know, I'm telling you not to do that because I don't want my chest waxed. F that.
I want to wax it.
That's the only way I'll do it. By you lot being interfering with this video and us or whatever, then I'll do it. Otherwise, nah, sorry, Keebs.
I'm getting asleep.
Wait, still in my sleep? Alright, I'll let you have that one. But alright guys, we're gonna wrap up the video here now. Thank you, Keebs. Put everyone say thanks, Keebs, and give her a rating out of 5 stars. How much you gonna give her?
5.
I'm gonna give her, for her first time, I'm gonna give her 3.
Okay, alright, 5. You know, it's always room for improvement.
Yeah.
I did cut him 3 times.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
So
4.
at what? 2.
4. 2.
If there's one room for improvement always, that's already 1 gone.
Yeah, but I said 4.
And then all them cuts and bruises that you just announced.
What is it 3?
Well, you said 4, but okay. And then also that is the first time. 2.5. Alright, 2.5. 2.5. 2.2.
2.75.
Get out of here, man. Shit. I've been your boy Digz.
And I've been your girl Keebs.
We are
over
and
out.